So we've also received an update in the legal battle for the riding of Terrebonne in Quebec, and the CBC's Mark Harksol is tracking that for us. So tell us about the situation there.
Well, Andrew, just as you talk with Heather about a riding where the result is set in Terrebonne, it seems like nothing is quite set just yet. It wasn't even on election night, to be honest. So when we go back to election night, that riding in Quebec originally was won by the Liberals. Then, after validation, it flipped to the Bloc. But because things were so close, within that 0.1% of valid votes cast, the margin was so close, it automatically triggered a recount. And after that recount, it was found that the Liberal candidate, Tatiana Auguste, had won by 1 vote over the Bloc Québécois candidate, Nathalie Sinclair-Desgagne. Elections Canada then found out that there was actually an issue with a special ballot from a resident that was sent in. The postal code on it was wrong, and so that ballot that was mailed back to Elections Canada was actually returned to sender, and it was Elections Canada's return envelope that had the error on it. Now, regardless, Elections Canada has no power to call a by-election or anything like that, so there was really nothing they could do about that. Despite admitting their fault, they basically had to confirm the election result. And so as things stand right now, when Parliament goes back into session on Monday, the Liberals will hold that seat of Terrebonne. But today it was announced that the BQ candidate, Nathalie Sinclair-Desgagne, has issued a challenge with the Superior Court to have those election results in the riding annulled and to essentially do it over again. Now, this is not likely going to be a quick process. It'll take some time. But the Bloc Québécois also issued a statement today saying that they stand fully behind their candidate. Since Elections Canada has no recourse under the Act to restart an election, the Bloc therefore confirms that it will file a motion in court, ultimately seeking to restart the election in the riding of Terrebonne. So that's where things stand now, but things could change.